Hey. Hey, big guys. Hi, beautiful. Are you staring at Daddy? Someone is wide awake. Probably ready to eat again soon. She loves her little bouncy chair. Oh, was that your little wave?
Oops.
Oh,
I guess
Daddy's getting in the light.
I'm the Shadow Master.
Hey.
Bunny ears.
Nice. Say hi, Grandma. Alright. Time to go. Little tongue action. Say bye. That was a little wave goodbye.